There was actually no reason for me to say no. I have done a film with Balakrishna sir before, which is the most successful film of my career. I did Akhanda with Balakrishna sir. So obviously there's a huge amount of respect for him as a person, as a professional. So working with him again is, I think, the greatest opportunity. And then I know Bobby sir since a very, very long time. I mean, there's a funny story. He's the first director that I ever met with, before I even started doing films. So working with Bobby sir has been a dream since I can't even tell you how many years. So finally, I got a call for one of his films, that too with Balakrishna sir. And it's a very powerful, impactful role. Very different. I know it may sound a bit cliche, but genuinely very different from anything that I've done before. Very challenging. So yeah, I just wanted to take up the challenge, try something new out. Fingers crossed. I hope my risk works out. Role is very challenging. It's extremely different from anything that I am or anything that I've played before in any of my films. It's completely de-glam. And I, as a person, I feel like I'm very glam. I like to dress up. I like to look a certain way. But in that film, there is literally no makeup, no hair, all these beautifications that we do, nothing. I had to kind of dull down even more than, how I wake up in the morning. Not even that. They had to really dull me down because it's in a terrain which is not like where we live now. You'll see more, and I'll be able to tell you more once we have at least the trailer coming out. But it's a very new zone and a very new sort of character that I'm exploring in the film, and I can't wait for the world to watch it. Working with Balakrishna sir is a great pleasure. He is, I think, one of the most respectful person I've ever worked with. He is so passionate about his work. It seems like, working with him, it feels like there is so much to learn. He comes with so much positive energy every day on set, like it's his first day on shoot, So his childlike energy, enthusiasm, passion is infectious. So, working with him is a great pleasure and honor, and there is so much to learn from him every single day on set. Basically, I have no idea how Bobby sir even saw me in this character, but I'm glad he did, because it's going to be, I think, a very challenging role for me. And I'm just grateful that he chose me to be Kaveri. Okay, that much. Sorry, Bobby sir. I'm just telling you the name of the character. I'm playing Kaveri in the film, and I'm just glad that he could see me as a part of his vision. And just to be a part of this magnanimous project is just a great privilege. It's different from the previous roles, like you said. It's going to be supremely de-glam, and it's very performance oriented. So it's not just glamour songs, the typical heroine things that we do in certain films, which also I absolutely love, truly. But this is going to be very different from that. It is only pure performance in this film. So yeah, after a super glam fashionista, IRS, this billionaire's daughter in Khel Khel Mein, to this super de-glam, absolutely opposite sort of a role in Daku, is I think universe is just giving me a lot of chances to show my versatility. So just grateful that I'm playing two completely opposite characters in the same year. Firstly, just being a part of Khel Khel Mein is an absolute honor and privilege, and I consider myself so blessed to be a part of this film. It's such a beautiful story of very realistic sort of things that happen in today's times between couples. So grateful to be a part of the film, and to have gotten a chance to work with Mudassar. He's a wonderful director, phenomenal writer. And to work with this entire star cast, there was so much to learn from each one of them every single day. So just truly grateful and blessed to have been a part of Khel Khel Mein.